moving day. So we enter here. Just got a mattress up. There's the kitchen. There's nothing. It's room 1. Oh, it's locked. Room 2. And we have the bathroom. Cold water. It's very exciting. There's a porch. Got some cute little dogs here. And this is a Haitian family lives downstairs. All right, this is night 1 in Casa de Rebuild, Tara. What up? So there's no power. It's, what would you say? It's a little hot.
It's a little hot.
It's a lot hot.
We don't have a fan. We don't have power. We don't have a fan. There's our beds.
This is what we have. We have some beds that we bought. It's
Still in the plastic. We took them off, but there they are.
Yeah, so tonight should be a fun little night with nice heat, flashlights.
They're at the house somewhere.
Wait, so we don't have toilet paper tonight?
No.
How you feeling?
Oh, like I'm home.